Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. We're going to check out Frosty Friends, a new stamping starter kit. This is absolutely such a cute idea for Christmas. I may have to get a couple more to give away to friends and family. This one is so cute. And this is so Lucas because it has a couple of dinosaurs and little animals on it. It comes with a scraper, so on theme with the Frosty Friends, and of course a stamper that I gotta struggle busting it out of this packaging. Very nice. I love the ice cube stampers, are so perfect. And then again, pry this out. These have just a small bottle of stamping polish and the no smear top coat. Smudge free. There you go, Guylene. And it comes in a cute little decorative box. And here it lists the crisp is the green. If I don't have that already, I'm going to have to go get me one of them because I really like this green. And smudge-free top coat, scraper, stamper, plate, everything you need. Just remove the blue film. And here's a closer look at and up my nose and the plate. All the images. Red truck with a tree in the back. I love that little pine cone up there. Cute birds. All just really cute animals. I can't figure out it. Oh, looking up my nose again. I think that's a cat. It's adorable. Yeah, it's a cat. I should have done the kitty, but I had to do a dinosaur for Lucas. I had to do a dinosaur. Look, cute little dinosaur skating. Some gnomes. Just some cute animals and images for Christmas. I love the little deer. Looks kind of like a fox with antlers, but, you know, I don't know, or a puppy. And another dinosaur with a Christmas tree. Adorable. Thanks, Penny. And on this side we have just some full nail images. And I'm going to show you how to do straight lines. How to master the straight lines. Well, sort of. I've got really curvy nails, so. Okay, so this is the polish I ended up putting on my nails. Caladium. Just don't worry about it being a little lumpy because I have a gel glitter underneath it. I just painted this over it just so that I can do this manicure for you. We're going to pick up these trees first. Look at this. I love this green. It is a perfect dark green. And I'm going to do a little reverse stamping, fill in the blanks, whatever. I'm just going to check it against my nails. I'm not going to put this on there yet. I'm just going to check it to see where's abouts I need to color in. And these are the colors that I'm going to use. Frosty, Cheer, and Merry Mint are not available yet, but they will be in a little while. In, you know, I don't know, a couple weeks. And this is Sonata. Is that right? I'm just going to use it to dot in a couple of things. And I'm using the Maniolgy new awesome brush that you can't get because it was exclusive to the box, the Christmas box that is sold out already. And zoom right through there, color this in. I wanted that tree white like snow. Well, it's not really white, but I didn't think white really went with my scheme. Okay, here's this cute little guy, little skating guy. You're actually going to see him twice because I screwed up this one. So, yeah, I've been stamping for 12 years, I think. 12, 15, I don't know. and I still screw up. So don't feel bad when you struggle. Okay, let's pick this up. Now to keep lines straight, use a straight down, up and down boop pickup, not a roll pickup, because if you roll, you got more chances for it to get wonky. Same with when you're putting it on your nail. Bop it straight down, don't roll it, so your lines will stay straight. I have a really pronounced C curve, so I have issues trying to keep stamps straight lines on me anyway. That looks really good. I'm just gonna pick up a couple of colors at once and just kind of arrange them, stamp them on my nail, kind of move it, stamp another color, move it around, put some little greenies on here. Now, I had to do a voiceover because my husband is building, for one thing, out in the garage. And I can hear all the saws and the hammering. Then he came in to take a break across the hall in the bedroom, and I'm hearing him yelling at Alexa and asking her questions. And yeah, ruining it all. And I messed him up. His face messed up. I was not happy with him. And I didn't put sticky base down, so be sure and use the sticky base. Don't do all that work and then screw it up like I did. And stamp that little tree. I love this nail. This nail is so cute. Wiggle, wiggle. And then I'm going to stamp on the smudge-free top coat. Just put a little on your stamper and stamp it right on there. That way you for sure, when you do your finished top coat, the thick, quick dry, you don't smear. You don't want to smear that dark. And here I am stamping another dinosaur. Had to do another one. I thought this one was cuter anyway. And I got him so that he is actually skating. The other one, I don't know what he was doing. But his skate is down, flat like it should be. He's so cute. And then I stamped a little ice on the bottom. And there they are. I think they turned out really cute. And if you have any questions, please let me know down below. These are very cute. They are available right now. More Christmas gifts. This would be so cute for a tween age. I'm not sure the price. I should probably put that across here. All right. Thank you guys so much for joining me. As always, subscribe, give us a like, and stay tuned for a little fun video here at the end. Nana and Tara were here with this sweet little nugget, Keely.
Do you like that baby?
Snuggling up to Penny.
Yeah, look at that baby all snuggled
And
up
this
to
little
you.
dog and Bisquick were freaking nuts all week long. They just went crazy. They loved each other.
If he wants away, he can get away.
And if you're not on TikTok watching my stuff, go follow me on TikTok.
Oh my
I
God!
have fun
Yeah,
over
poor
there.
Penny wants to play. So I know, baby.
She tried and
Yeah,
It didn't
she.
work out.
Yeah.
oh my God. You know what? I might have to get it back. What did I just tell you? I might have to just take this quick home with me.
No.
We tried keeping him and she wouldn't let us. Yeah, but he's an asshole now. All right, Nana, I'm going to take a video, so watch your language.